A very warm welcome to Kingston Maurward College and our September Virtual Open Day. Although you are unable to join us in person at the moment, we've put together a series of clips, videos and other information that will give you a real flavour of what we do here at Kingston Maurward. Our focus on applied learning ensures that any student gains the practical skills as well as the knowledge to help them progress onto the next stage of their career. We recruit students on attitude more than anything else, not simply aptitude or previous qualifications. We're looking for students with a passion for the subjects we do, a love of the outdoors and a desire to try new things and get stuck in. We work closely with key employers and industry to ensure our courses are meeting their needs and the needs of Dorset. We offer a variety of levels of programme to ensure there is a starting point for everyone. Whether that's a level 1, developing the basic skills and knowledge of the industry, or a level 3 technical, which is equivalent to 3 A-levels. Every programme contains not only a qualification, but extensive work or industry experience, enrichment to broaden experience, challenge learners and ensure they develop confidence and self-esteem. On completion of any programme at Kingston Maurward, we ensure the learner is ready for the next step. So explore the website, look at our different programmes, especially new programmes in rural business and heritage land management, as well as marine aquaculture. If you have any further questions, get in touch or join me on the live chat this week. The Apply Now button will take you to our application form, and once we receive that, we'll be in touch to arrange an interview. Many thanks, and we look forward to welcoming you to Kingston Maurward in the very near future.